All right, y'all, we're back from our 1,700-mile trip. We went down to Tennessee, developed a crazy misfire on the way down there. Anything over 25% throttle or under load, the car would misfire. So we changed the fuel pump. TLCT Motorworks overnighted that to us, did not fix the issue. We fixed the PCV issue, did not fix the issue, still breaking up under load. So yes, we literally drove the car 700 miles to Tennessee with that issue, drove it around in town for about 300 miles with that issue, and then drove it 700 miles home with that issue. So I reached out to ECS Tuning, who supplied me with Ignition Project's coil packs, and these things are absolutely no joke. So on today's video, we're gonna rip the old stock red top / black top. I've got a mixed match of coil packs there. They're literally a mixed match of coil packs. We're gonna rip those out and get these Ignition Projects coil packs installed. Boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen. Bro. Y'all been telling me you get new coil packs. I listened. I followed through. These are gorgeous. All right, y'all. You'll see it here. I got all 4 unboxed Ignition Project coil packs sent over by ECS Tuning. Huge shout out to both those companies for, 1, making a great product, 2, for selling a great product and sending them out for your boy to make an awesome video, installing them on the TT. My TT desperately has needed these. We've definitely been having spark issues. All those coil packs definitely have over like 100,000 miles on them. Shout out Frankie for even hooking me up with those when I needed them. But now it is time to upgrade. First things first, I'm gonna jump in there and take off all the coil pack harness plugs, and then we're gonna pop the coil packs out before we go ahead and take out the spark plugs. No oil. Another one, no oil. Oil free, awesome. We gotta go get some spark plugs. Bro, I come home and like all the leaves are off the trees. I was just in Tennessee where everything was green, warm, and lush. Pulled up the AutoZone, baby. 4 spark plugs acquired. Y'all, these things were 60 bucks. This shit ain't free. So if you aren't already, subscribe and press that like button, because motherfucker, every video goddamn expensive. Let's install you, baby. Now we got what I need. Let's blow this out. Air compressor is totally what we needed. Here's some of the debris that blew out. These chunks we did not want going down into the cylinders. Driver's side, the passenger side. That's the way the spark plug lineup goes. And in my opinion, all the spark plugs actually look really good. Like, they look really good. Like, they could tell a story or two, but the iridium tips burn rate on there looks really freaking good. I mean, maybe someone could tell me otherwise, but I do have new plugs right here. I got R7Es and these are R6Es. So I believe these are a little bit warmer. I'm not too sure. I thought I had 7s in here. These are good enough for what we're currently running, so it's no big deal, but let me know what you guys run. I know there's gonna be a lot of controversy in the comments of this video, so just know, brand new out of the box spark plug, cardboard just taken off, and now I'm gonna drop it in. Same thing with this one, pop the top off, cardboard off, no gap, iridium tips in the hole. Same thing for the other 2 cylinders, ungap straight out the box, cardboard still on, R7Es, and drop in. I'm not that much of a savage though. I will be hand tightening these, and I will be using a Torx wrench. But the pre-gap, I don't know. They come pre-gapped. This car isn't running crazy power. We're only making like 110 horsepower, so it's justifiable, honestly. 22 foot-pounds what we're going to, 30 Newton meters. Perfect. Now that all my spark plugs are tightened down to the proper torque spec, they're in there nice and tight, snug, happy. Now I can finally go ahead and install my new coil packs that ECS sent me by Ignition Projects. These things are so freaking fire. So good you can eat it. And for installing these, it's super easy. These go in exactly stock location. The ones I had in before did not go to stock location, and they would kind of just rattle around, where these bolt in. They have a weather seal all the way around, so these are waterproof. These drop right into factory location. They pop right in, and then this Little grommet, little plug, little whatever you want to call it, because free will, it just goes boop right into place. And like so, in you go. Boop, boop. And then down the line we go. All the coil packs are now popped into place. And man, does that make a crazy engine bay difference. Wow. So now that we got the coil packs in, I want to take this thing for a ride and see if it did anything. It, in theory, should do something, but on the way home from Tennessee, I got a little bit rowdy. May or may not have blown some of the exhaust gaskets out, and well, that could play with the overall drivability of this car. Y'all can hear the exhaust sounds kind of funny over here, and then it sounds really funny in this area. Yeah, that's because we have an exhaust leak. And for anyone wondering, while this thing warms up, we put 1493 on this car, so 1,493 miles. Almost 1,500 in the span of 7 days, while having a pretty bad misfire, which I still suspect was the coil pack. So fingers crossed, warm this up, take it for a rip, and then we shall know. One of my life hacks, let her warm up, idle as you leave the development. By the time you leave, you should be at about 120, 130. Works every time. See, I'm always right, bro. I get there, boom, boom. We're even gonna warm up to almost 130 by the time these people go driving by. I know my car. I know my car. All right, y'all. This isn't really a speed thing. It's just 4th gear, 5th gear, 6th gear. They like to pull timing at full throttle. So I don't really know, but here we go. Still doing it. Hooked it up to VCDS, had like 15 codes. So I cleared all of them. I'm gonna take it for a drive. If the issue persists, I'm gonna take the mass airflow sensor plug off. All right, so we cleared all those codes. We're not going fast. We're just gonna get into it in 4th. Same issue. This is not the best spot to be doing this. Please don't come from that way. Please don't come from that way. But, all right, we're reverted now. 4th gear. Honestly, right now, I don't really know where we stand on this, because as you guys can hear in the video, it didn't do that weird limiter thing, but it felt like it was only making like 5-6 pounds. Maybe that's what it does when it goes speed density, because it doesn't really know what to read off the map. Y'all, I did not want to leave ECS like that. I filmed this video over a week ago. I knew that the coil packs definitely were going to help, and I was excited for that. And we still had that misfire issue. It turns out, as you can see here, the boost was just a little too great for this 25-year-old coupler. And yeah, it just popped right off. I drove halfway to Tennessee like that. I drove around in Tennessee like that, and then drove all the way home from Tennessee like that. So I'm going to have to go ahead and order a new one of these, because this is ripped, and it also has a little bit of a rip right here after loosening it up just a little bit, and that's just how it was. It might sound strange that I'm relieved that we had a charge pipe failure. I should have noticed this a little earlier on. It is what it is, but this will definitely fix the car. Like literally, this was a huge air leak, and no boost equals no power. So I haven't seen it on the YouTube channel yet, but I've showed us on the Instagram channel a whole lot. Chris Miata God bought a 26-foot long, 6-seater, 9-seater, whatever.
Chevy 3500. You gotta say it like that too.
Chevy 3500. 10-foot bed, gooseneck, captain seats front and rear.
No, it's bench seats back there, buddy.
It's bench seat in the back, but it's 2 front seats in the back. Y'all seen it. Yo, that sweatshirt goes hard.
Katie and Poppy, fellow Chris.
Oh, really?
All the Chris.
Shit, little Chris fit check for y'all. We got a bunch of Chris fit checks in Tennessee, but not one in Jersey. God damn.
These aren't even Simon Specials.
Not even the Simon Specials. Bro popped out. Sir, can you stop revving your engine? Bro, you see we're in the long way truck? The pickup truck.
Oh, shit.
I saw y'all and I'm like, shit, we vlogging right now.
Oh, let's go.
Shit, baby. Mario's Evo 10. Rich. Richie's S4. Oh, Joseph.
What up, baby?
How are
we
you?
on the vlog tonight?
Yeah, we're vlogging. We're vlogging every day.
live. I'm gonna get in the back of this bitch. Oh no, you could have kept going.
Wait, man. That bitch blinging.
Dude, this thing's like 100 feet long.
Yeah,
That's like one car length.
it is. It's a big bitch.
Big fucking
Brought my
bitch.
jump pack just in case the battery dies.
Is it gonna, dude, we could use that
We
for
always
my
kill the
car,
battery.
too.
And the dog's still barking, and I'm like, oh my god, go back inside. I'm trying to finish the patio.
I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it. I'm gonna vlog it. Okay, I'll do it. Matt got coffee. I got a triple shot. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Oh, I'm so.
It's good.
I got coffee, buddy. I got coffee. Triple shot. Triple shot. What time is it?
8:30. We're gonna be up till midnight.
Special guest appearance. Big Mitch
How you
Garage
doing?
in the cut. Oh, I haven't seen you since GAT. How was your drive home?
I gotta check engine light.
I am a check engine light. Mitch,
I don't know if you remember my.
I'm gonna show him your car.
Don't look too close.
Y'all saw it in the vlog on what, day 3 I think it was. We did a little walk around of this thing, but
Here, show the coolest part of the whole car. My STI Recaros.
ooh, ooh, the little pull tab.
Little pull tab, yeah.
Y'all, Caden's coming to buy a hat. First hat sold in Jersey since we got back from GAT. I'm excited, bro.
Why?
There you go, sir. I hope you enjoy it. We love to see it. Oh, that's a handsome young man right there. Yes, sir. Yo, shout out Pierce. He just picked up a hat too.
I got the hat. I was in GAT. I missed it. I got it here now.
He got it in Jersey. Let's go.
Jersey, let's go, baby.
Y'all, Ryan just picked up a hoodie.
Sir, bro.
Ryan's been a homie of mine for years, so him buying this actually means a ton. So I
sir.
appreciate you, Ryan.
Thank you, Alex.
Heck yeah, dude. Knights and car lights bought a hat. I'm an idiot. It's Knights with car lights. Yo, shout out Logan. Logan just bought a hoodie too. Appreciate you, brother. Yes, sir. That's a model right there if I ever seen one. Are you out of battery in this fucking jump pack?
It's at 11.7 volts.
Oh, it'll be
The
good.
batteries in the truck still not enough to juice it.
Oh, so you're gonna hit it.
Jump pack mid though.
Oh, sweet. Damn, buddy. This is that big 12 valve Cummins, right? Yeah, let's do it. Yeah, baby.
Does anybody know the symptoms of gonorrhea?
Yo, the best engine builder in the country is back in Jersey, moved in, and I'm gonna convince him to build my long block. You wanna build my long block? Look at the two of you. Yeah. Yeah, stop playing with the boys. I'm coming to check up on these jokers. Yeah, little Fent lean. Yeah, baby.
You gotta give it the back lean.
Shit, baby. How the Devils doing?
I accidentally shaved and I have
Shout out to my best friend Brandon. He bought a freaking hoodie. And you're never gonna be cold again, buddy.
Never.
You cold in that current hoodie you're wearing right now? That fucking top shelf garbage?
Yeah, I'm taking this shit off. This is my car, not yours.
The car is clearly up in the air getting other work done, so I would love to throw that back on, take it for a drive, and show y'all that it runs great. But we're gonna end the video here. If you haven't already, press some buttons. Thank you so much to ECS for sending these out. I'm super stoked on them. The car's gonna run so good once I fix that charge pipe and all these other issues I'm fixing right now. I'm doing an alternator and stuff that you guys really don't care to see. So I'm gonna do that, put it all back together, and then in the next video, y'all should see me ripping this thing. So I'm excited to show y'all. If you haven't already, press some buttons, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.